Chinita Food and Travel.
Hi everyone, Sandy here from Chinita Food and Travel. Today I'm going to share with you guys a traditional Mexican creamy tomato-based spaghetti that is absolutely delicious. It's a popular accompaniment to any meal, so let's check out the ingredients. We're going to need some ripe tomatoes, garlic, onion, cream, butter, tomato puree, salt, pepper, pasta, my Mexican hot chili oil, and queso rayado. In the blender we have our ripe tomatoes. We're going to add our onion, our garlic, and tomato puree. In a saucepan we're going to melt 1/3 of a stick of butter. Add your tomato mixture. Season with salt and pepper. And let the tomatoes, onion, and garlic cook through. Once the ingredients have cooked through, add your sour cream. Add your pasta to the sauce. To serve this pasta, we're gonna add some sour cream, queso rayado. Traditionally, people don't add this, but I like spicy food, so I'm gonna add a little bit of my Mexican hot chili paste. If you want to check that recipe out, I'm going to link it above. And mix everything up. Like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, this dish is really popular to have as an accompaniment to the meals that Mexicans prepare in Mexico City. It's really nice, creamy, delicious, it's rich. I really love this. My aunt used to make it all the time. And some people just prepare it with tomato puree. I like to combine fresh ripe tomatoes with the tomato puree to give it a really thick consistency. And like I mentioned, if you want to add your hot chili oil, Mexican, don't add a Chinese hot chili oil because it's a different concept. The queso rayado, which is a grated cheese that goes on top, it's the most typical cheese that goes on this spaghetti. It's really delicious. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. And until next time, Chinita out.